Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in this video we will see how you will create your fruit catcher game. Okay, so let's start. Before that, you can access our playlist which is Code for Kids. So here we have a scratch playlist and you will get lots of videos here like your dino jump game, then fish aquarium project, how you will draw the circle, everything you will get, how you will log in into the scratch, how you will enable your share button, everything you will get here. Okay, so first I will run this project. I will show you how we will create our fruit catcher game. Okay, see, so by using this flag, we can run this project. So after 3 to 4 seconds, what will happen? You need to catch all the fruits. Okay. If you will catch the fruit, your score will increase. If you will catch this bug, so what will happen? Like your score will decrease. So don't catch the bug. You need to catch all the fruits. Okay. So this is our fruit catcher game. So let's start to build our game. Okay. So first thing over here, we have all the fruits. So instead of this, if you want to take another fruit, we can take. We have our bowl, then we have the bug. Okay, whatever backdrop we want, we can take that. So now we will create one new project. So first thing here, we will delete this cat. Okay. After that, how we will add our backdrop. So as you can see in the right side bottom position, you will get choose a backdrop. So just click on that. So you will get lots of backdrops. So according to your choice, you can add the backdrops. Okay, we have a lots of backdrop. Suppose I want this blue sky. So once you will click on that, immediately you will get your backdrop into your stage area. So now we will add all these sprites. So from where we will add this sprite? This button, which is a choose a sprite. So just click on that. So first thing we want apple. So this is our apple. After that, again, if we want two apple, even we can take two apple. Then we want some banana, right? So again, choose a sprite, select the banana. I want two banana also. Then after that, we want bug. Okay, so we can take any bug here. If you will search the bug, so suppose I want this. Okay, this is so funny. So after that, we want the bowl. So just search for the bowl. You will get the bowl. Okay. So this all sprites we want. We want fruit, we want one bug, and we want one bowl, and we want one backdrop. So this is our design part. Okay. So now we will start the coding part. Okay. So first we will start from the fruit. So I selected this apple. So what is our project algorithm? It is like when I click on this flag, I want to wait for 3 to 4 seconds or 2 seconds. After that, what will happen? The fruit will fall down from this position. So in the scratch, this stage area is divided into 4 coordinates. So this is our y coordinate and this is our x coordinate. So here we have our minus y, here we have our minus x. Okay, so we want like all the fruits and bug will come from here. So what will happen? You have to take your positive y. Okay, from here to here. So we will take here positive y, we will take here our negative y. Okay, so this is the concept what we are using in the scratch. Okay, so now we will start from the apple. So for the apple, again, we want like a when we will click on the flag. Okay. So in the event, always you have to start from the event. So in the event, we will get this block. So just drag and drop. Okay. When flag is clicked, so initially, suppose we want to hide this block. Okay. Or else directly what we can do after waiting for 1 or 2 seconds, like in the control, we will get wait block. Like after waiting for 1 second, we want to show the block, or else directly we can start the project. Like when we will click on the flag, after waiting 1 second, we want to show our apple. Okay, so this is the show block. Just drag and drop it here. Okay, after that, we want to first create one score variable. Why? Because if you will catch any fruit, you have to score a point. Okay, so how we will create a variable? Just click on the variable, click on make a variable, write down the variable name score, and always we have to select for all the sprites. Now we will click on the OK. So here we will get one score variable, and in your stage area also you will get that. So initially we will set our score to 0. So here we have a my variable. So we need to select the score. So what is this? Set score to 0. Okay. Now what will happen if your apple will touch to this bowl? Okay, so what will happen? Suppose we want to start one sound, and if your apple touch to the bowl, we want to score a point. Okay, so what we will do? We want this on a continue manner. So I told you in the previous video also, if you want anything continuously, so we need to take this forever. Okay, so in the forever loop, now we will put one if condition. If that will touch to the bowl, so where you will get touch block inside your sensing, we have this. Okay, so just drag and drop it here. So instead of mouse pointer, we will take bowl. Means if apple will touch to the bowl, suppose I want to start one sound. So in the sound, you will get sound like a chomp. Then every time we want to change our score, so you will get change score inside your variable. Instead of my variable, we will change our score by 1. If you want, like we can change our score by 2, 3. Okay, and now we want one random position. Okay, random position means like from any position we want this fruit will come. Okay, so where we will get our random position inside the motion, take this go to random position, but we want that random position somewhat here, not from here, not from here. Okay, so we will set our y, because this is our y axis, right? So where we will get our set y? In a motion, if you will scroll down, you will get this set y. But here what value we have to take? Okay, suppose I want this from here. So what is the value of that? It is in the y-axis 161. Okay, so we will take little bit up. So instead of 161, we will make it as 180. Okay, now if I will run this project, okay, this apple is not falling down. Why? Because till now we are not take that. Okay, so now we will start that one also. So again, so this is just a coding for how you will score a point, how you will start a sound once you will touch to this bowl. Okay, then we will again start the same thing. Like again we will start when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, so what will happen? We have to wait for 1 second, and then we will start our project. Okay, so what will happen after that? Again we want to go to one random position, like this one. So just duplicate that, take it here. There. So we want like this apple will fall down from here, right? So for that, we need to take again the forever. Now we will change our y by -5. Okay, because every time we want like this apple will came from here. Okay, so just go to the motion, scroll down, we will get our change, and we want that by -5. Why? Because every fifth coordinates we want the apple fall from here. Okay, then now we will check the condition if our y position. Okay, so where we will get that condition inside the if, like a control, take this if. So what condition we will take now? Like if that will come here. Okay, so what will happen? Again, we want one another fruit. Same fruit but clone, right? So we need to just go to this operator. We will take this. Now, what position we will take? Like if our y position is, if our y position means this line is less than what is, suppose here what is the value, is minus like a 170, right? So we will take that. If our y position is -170, so we have to again set the y. Means if this apple will come here, so what will happen? Again we want one more apple. Okay, so again we will set our y to 180. So this is the perfect coding. Okay, now see, see. Okay, that is, and as you can see it is coming from the random position. Okay, so this is the perfect. After that, what we want, like how many seconds we want to play this game. Okay, so again what we will take, when flag is clicked, so we want to play this game, suppose only for 50 seconds. Okay. So, or 60 seconds or 70 seconds. Suppose I want to play this game only for 30 seconds. So I will take 30. When flag is clicked, I want to wait for 30 seconds. And after that, I want to hide the block. Okay. Hide this apple. So this is perfect now. Everything is perfect. Okay. So this is the coding for the apple. So how many fruits we have here? We have a 4 fruits, 2 apple, 2 banana. So what we will do, we will copy the same code for all the fruits. Okay, how we will do that? Take this block and put it here inside your apple. Take this one also, put it here. And take this one also, put it here. Now, if you will check this, you will get all the blocks, but in a merge format. Just right click here, click on cleanup block. You will get all the 3 blocks. Okay. Same thing we will do here. Okay. For the banana also. Like take this here, take the same block for your banana. This one also. Same for this one. We will take this one also. And here also. Okay, if you will check the banana, again right click, clean up block. Same for here also, right click, clean up block. So we did 4 sprite coding. Now what about your bug? So for the bug, same thing we want, but what we want to decrease the score. Okay, so again we will copy the same thing, but I will show you what changes you have to do. Okay, so first, this is the second, and this one is the third. Oh, you are not able to copy the block like this, so we have our another method. So if you will scroll down here, you will get this backpack. So just click on that. Okay. Take this code here inside the backpack. First, second, and third. Okay. After that, see. After that, just click on this bug and now take this block here. First, second, third. Just clean up. I think I didn't copy this. Copy. Now come here and take this block again. So if you will clean up, you will get. Okay. So this is the way you can copy and paste the code inside your Scratch. Okay. After that, what is the main thing over here? What we will change? Every time we will take -1. Only one changes. Instead of 1, we will make it as -1. Now if you will run, see. But we are not able to move the bowl by using our left arrow and right arrow. Why? Because till now we not did for the bowl. Okay, so now it's the time to start our bowl. Okay, so just select the bowl. So for the bowl, what we want? We want, like when I click on the left arrow and right arrow, so we have to just change the position. Okay, so again, we will start from event when flag is clicked. Okay. So after waiting 1 second, we want to start the game. Okay. So when flag is clicked, we have to just wait for 1 minute, 1 second. Then by inside the forever, because continuously we want to move the ball. Okay. So we want to just take our if conditions, like if there will be left arrow, so the ball will move towards the left. If there will be right arrow, so the ball will move towards the right. Okay. So we need to take two if condition. One is for left arrow, is for right arrow. Okay. So where you will get your left arrow and right arrow, you will get that into the sensing. Click on that. Okay. So what will happen if key pressed? Okay, instead of space, we will take it right arrow, and instead of space here, we will make it as left arrow. Okay, so as you can see, this is the bowl. Okay, this is the right direction, and this one is the left direction, right? So if you want to move the bowl here, so this is our positive x. So we have to take a plus value. This is our negative x. So we will take a minus value. Okay. So now we have to just change x. Okay. Why we took the x? Because we want to move here, not here. So if you want to move like in the vertical, you need to take your y. If you want to move like a horizontal, you need to take a x-axis. Okay, so where you will get your change x inside the motion, like a change x by 10 for right, change x by -10. Why? Because in the left side it is minus coordinates. Okay, so it is now -10. Perfect. So now if I will run this, I can move. As you can see, the score is also increasing. If I will catch the bug, my score will decrease. Now, oh, this is perfect. Okay. So in this way, we can create a fruit catcher game. Okay. Now, if you want to rename this project, instead of Untitled, we can write it as fruit catcher Okay. If you want to share the project, just click on the share button and share with your friends, your family members. Okay. Click on the copy link. Just copy the link and paste where you want. Okay. So in this way, we can create a fruit catcher game. Okay. So if you want more games, more videos, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel Code for Kids and press the bell icon to get more latest update. Okay. So thank you so much.